Welcome back to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. I hope that everyone is doing well. I've had a low-grade sinus headache all week, and I did manage to complete a few projects, but the intricate process of editing a tutorial was not an option. So considering everything that has been happening in the past few weeks, I thought that we could all use a few words of encouragement. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by anyone, and I have no religious or political agenda. Our family is doing well. My hubby is required to be on location for his job, so his schedule has not changed. I already work from home, so my schedule hasn't been affected either. Here in Waco, the stores have reduced their opening hours. Gyms and bars are closed. Restaurants are only providing drive-through or takeout service. All of the Magnolia establishments have been closed but are hoping to reopen on March the 30th. If you feel stuck at home, keep in mind that you are exactly where you're supposed to be. Remember those dreams that you put off or ignored. Use this time to make a game plan and make those dreams become a reality. Remember a few weeks ago when you wished you had time to spend with your family. Now is that time. Call a friend that you haven't spoken to for a while. Read that book. Donate to that cause. I know it is easier said than done, but try not to worry. During previous times like this, I would have normally been stressed and panicked. I get information overload fairly quickly, so I usually don't handle stressful situations very well. But when this current situation arose a few weeks ago, I reminded myself that there have been plagues before. There have been terrorist attacks, hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, fires, tornadoes, SARS, political divide, not to mention the critical illnesses and loss of close family members. And the list goes on. All throughout these ordeals, humanity has survived. We have survived. And I know that the same God who brought us through all those circumstances before will bring us through this as well. Sometimes catastrophes are allowed to happen so that people can strengthen relationships. Let us strengthen each other. I'll read a quote written by Laura Kelly Fanucci that I thought was so beautiful. When this is over, may we never again take for granted a handshake with a stranger, full shelves at the store, conversations with neighbors, a crowded theater, Friday night out, the taste of communion, a routine checkup, the school rush every morning, coffee with a friend, the stadium roaring, each deep breath, a boring Tuesday, life itself. When this ends, may we find that we have become more like the people we wanted to be, we were called to be, we hope to be, and may we stay that way, better for each other because of the worst. Tune in next week for a tutorial in my Spring DIY series. During the series, I will be doing a small giveaway, so be sure that you are subscribed to Mona Lisa's Masterpieces. Click on the notification bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, and share this video with your family and friends. Be safe, wash your hands, be kind, and be a blessing to someone. You're all in my thoughts and prayers. Until next time, leave some toilet paper on the shelves. I'm getting low. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.